Today we're going to talk about narrative structure. So when you're writing a narrative, there are usually three main sections to a story: the orientation, the complication, and the resolution. In the orientation, which is the opening or the introduction of your story, you need to introduce who or what is involved in the story. So the characters, it could be people or it could be animals. You also have to introduce when and where the story takes place. In other words, the setting of the story. So that's very important to establish those things in the orientation. Next comes the complication. So this is where you introduce a problem or a conflict. So this problem or conflict usually interrupts the normal lives of the characters. And this is where you also build suspense, which is as a result of the characters working out how they're going to work on this conflict or problem. Finally, we have the resolution or the ending of your narrative. So in the resolution, the problem is usually sorted out. The characters may have learnt a lesson from the conflict, so there might be a moral to the story. It's important that when you write your resolution that it's consistent with the way the events have unfolded and also the way that the characters behave. Right? So there's your narrative structure. You need to have an orientation, a complication, and a resolution.